Ethereum value equivalent to 34,736 rands a coin. The present cost range, 34,481 to 35,132. The earlier day close, 34,598. The change was plus 138, plus 0.40%. Opposite rate, ZAR to ETH. Ethereum cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Ethereum cost forecast on Monday, May 1, cost 34,299 rands, high 36,700, low 31,898. Ethereum estimate on Tuesday, May 2, cost 34,852 rands, high 37,292, low 32,412. Ethereum cost forecast on Wednesday, May 3, cost 35,012 rands, high 37,463, low 32,561. Ethereum estimate on Thursday, May 4, cost 35,829 rands, high 38,337, low 33,321. Ethereum cost forecast on Friday, May 5, cost 35,577 rands, high 38,067, low 33,087. And multi-week Ethereum estimate on Monday, May 8, cost 35,471 rands, high 37,954, low 32,988. Ethereum cost forecast on Tuesday, May 9, cost 35,584 rands, high 38,075, low 33,093. Ethereum conjecture on Wednesday, May 10, cost 33,869 rands, high 36,240, low 31,498. Ethereum cost expectation on Thursday, May 11, cost 33,803 rands, high 36,169, low 31,437. Ethereum conjecture on Friday, May 12, cost 31,469 rands, high 33,672, low 29,266. In about 14 days, Ethereum cost expectation on Monday, May 15, cost 31,976 rands, high 34,214, low 29,738. Ethereum conjecture on Tuesday, May 16, cost 30,689 rands, high 32,837, low 28,541. Ethereum cost expectation on Wednesday, May 17, cost 31,132 rands, high 33,311, low 28,953. Ethereum conjecture on Thursday, May 18, cost 30,807 rands, high 32,963, low 28,651. Ethereum cost expectation on Friday, May 19, cost 32,688 rands, high 34,976, low 30,400. In 3 weeks, Ethereum conjecture on Monday, May 22, cost 34,215 rands, high 36,610, low 31,820. Ethereum cost expectation on Tuesday, May 23, cost 35,097 rands, high 37,554, low 32,640. Ethereum conjecture on Wednesday, May 24, cost 34,995 rands, high 37,445, low 32,545. Ethereum cost forecast on Thursday, May 25, cost 36,151 rands, high 38,682, low 33,620. Ethereum gauge on Friday, May 26, cost 36,420 rands, high 38,969, low 33,871. In about a month, Ethereum cost forecast on Monday, May 29, cost 36,050 rands, high 38,574, low 33,527. Ethereum gauge on Tuesday, May 30, cost 35,334 rands, high 37,807, low 32,861. Ethereum value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Ethereum cost expectation for April 2023. In the first place, cost at 32,390 rands. Exorbitant cost 39,642. While low cost 31,541. They found the middle value of cost 34,545. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 34,605. Change for April 6.8%. Ethereum gauge for May 2023. Initially cost at 34,605 rands, excessive cost 38,969, while low cost 28,541. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 34,176. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 34,589. Change for May 0.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for June 2023. At the outset cost at 34,589 rands. Excessive cost 40,825, while low cost 32,492. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 36,515. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 38,154. Change for June 10.3%. Ethereum conjecture for July 2023. At the outset cost at 38,154 rands. Excessive cost 43,497, while low cost 37,805. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 40,027. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 40,651. Change for July 6.5%. Ethereum cost expectation for August 2023. At the outset cost at 40,651 rands. Excessive cost 50,456, while low cost 40,651. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 44,728. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 47,155. Change for August 16.0%. Ethereum conjecture for September 2023. At the outset cost at 47,155 rands. Exorbitant cost 47,155, while low cost 40,105. Found the middle value of cost 44,385. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end 43,124. Change for September 8.5%. Ethereum cost expectation for October 2023. First and foremost cost at 43,124 rands. Exorbitant cost 43,124, while low cost 33,688. Found the middle value of cost 39,040. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end 36,224. Change for October 16.0%. Ethereum estimate for November 2023. First and foremost cost at 36,224 rands. Exorbitant cost 44,961, while low cost 36,224. Found the middle value of cost 39,857. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end 42,020. Change for November 16.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for December 2023. First and foremost cost at 42,020 rands. Exorbitant cost 42,020, while low cost 35,460. Found the middle value of cost 39,407. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end 38,129. Change for December 9.3%. Ethereum